Hello there, this is Cooking with Old Jim. On this channel I share the secrets of my home cooking with you on how to feed your family with straightforward and down-to-earth easy recipes. I'll take you through the basics with tried and tested recipes that I've used for over 5 decades to feed my family. I don't have a fancy studio, just my own kitchen in my own home. There are no expensive or exotic items needed to make any of my recipes. So thanks for watching, and for the curious among you, I'm 80 years old and I still enjoy cooking for myself and for my whole family. If all this sounds interesting, then please click the subscribe button. It would make my day. Thanks very much and cheerio.